start again. It's a redskin.
You guys, it's your girl Alicia Jones, and I'm back again with a new video. In today's video, we're gonna be trying on, reviewing, and doing some first impressions on this wig that I got from Sensational. Yeah, I purchased it on Amazon. So this is the Sensational Empress lace wig, and this is in the style Amani. I saw this, I was eyeing another wig, and then I saw this and I was like, oh, I want it. So number two, the color number 2 was not available. Y'all know that's my color, but 1B was. I always choose 1B if my color isn't available. So this is the packaging. This is what it looks like. This is what it looks like. That's what it looks like on the model. And then here are the colors that it comes in. So that's what it looks like. Ooh, it has like a kinky straight type texture. This is what we're gonna do. Hopefully it can lay flat, because usually when I do wear wigs, I do like to have French braids. But I'm gonna show y'all what it looks like without me doing anything to it. All right, girl. Okay, so this is what it looks like. This is what it looks like without me doing nothing to it. And I gotta say, it needs some work. It needs some help. It needs a little love, cause baby girl, all right, y'all, I'm back. So I had to work a little magic with this wig. I had filmed this earlier today, and I went back and looked at the footage, and I was like, girl, bye. It was trash. So I plucked a little bit of the hairline, or the parting, and then I added a little bit of this Born This Way concealer, and it looks so much better. I deleted the footage, which I can show y'all, but I got rid of that. And then I've never tried this before, but I got some spritz, some pump it up spritz, and I sprayed it to, tame those flyaways, because they was driving me nuts. They were driving me nuts. So this is what it looks like. I cut the hair up, I trimmed it up a little bit. I made it just a tad bit shorter, not too much. Y'all, it's like 12 o'clock at night. I just could not go to sleep without doing something with this hair. My issue is the lace. Like, the lace is like, let me show y'all what the lace look like. So if you guys can see, like, the lace, and then look at my skin, like, so yeah. All right, y'all, so as I was saying, so what I did was I took a little bit of concealer and I went under the wig, and I put some there, and then I just put a little bit right here on the part, because no matter how much of the lace I was cutting off, it was still, you can see a little bit of the concealer, you could still see the white part, and it was driving me crazy. Oh my gosh. But you guys, I will have everything posted. Why I just say it like that? Everything, like, why I just say it like that? No, but seriously though, I'll have the links to where all the places you can purchase this. Sam's Beauty, I believe Elevate Styles. I purchased it on Amazon, and I like it. I think it's really cute. It did look a little bit different on me than it did the model, but I'm trying to keep a mirror by me now so I can see, like, girl, that ain't working, that's a no. And that's what I should have did earlier when I was first doing this wig. But so anyways, you guys, I got this in the color 1B, and I would say this is probably like 20 inches maybe. So and it looks so much better than it did earlier, like 1000% with me just adding that concealer. So yes, you guys, let me know what you guys think down below. Have you tried this wig? I know I'm a little bit late to the train. I've seen so many videos on this and I was like, I gotta snatch this up because it's hot. But that's pretty much it for this video. I want to thank you guys so much for watching and tuning in. You could have clicked on any other video, but you chose to click on this one, and I thank you so much for that. Go ahead and go check out my other videos. I will see you in the next video. Oh, and this is where it comes to. It comes about right there to my boobs. It was a little bit longer, but like I said, I cut it off. But I will see you guys in the next video. Peace.